I'm Tyler Ziviski, a high school senior at Adrian High School, and I'm going to show you how to Brunwha a potato. Okay, so first of all, you're going to want to julienne your potato. Get the 1/8 by about 2-inch long pieces, and then you can Brunwha. What a Brunwha is it's just a julienne, but you're turning it into cubes. Little 1/8 by 1/8 inch cubes. Okay, so when you start cutting, you want to just eyeball it. Nothing's perfect. You just go right through the entire stack, get those cubes. They might not be exact cubes, but it cooks even faster than the julienne, and it can fit well with other items. You can mix it together easier than you could a long piece. I'm Tyler Ziviski, and that's how you properly Brunwha a potato.